Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to talk about, what to do in times like this when the market is, beginning of September at a high and now kind of taking a dip, taking a hit. We're going to talk about that because it's probably important. But first, we'll update you on the $100 a week portfolio in creating the dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And we'll just get right into it because I did make a purchase today to increase my position in Bank of Nova Scotia, as it is the stock pick of the month. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. We'll go ahead and I'll just show you that. Actually, we can just go into this one. This is what I like about Wealthsimple Trade, because it gives you all the transactions. So on the 21st, which was yesterday, because we had made a mistake on transferring funds from my account to Wealthsimple Trade a little too late on the Tuesday. And so it resulted in the funds only being available on Monday, which was yesterday. You're seeing this on Wednesday. So we were able to buy 2 shares on September 21st at 7:56 a.m. my time, at $53.91. And that day, if you don't remember, was a hit all across the board. The Dow Jones was down, the S&P were down, the NASDAQ was down, and the TSX composite was down. So everything kind of just took a big whopping hit, but it's all right. We'll talk about that. So right now we are at 5 shares of Bank of Nova Scotia, total value of $271.55. The average price is $54.75. So as for the portfolio, as of today, we're down a penny from yesterday. Not a big deal, so not too much of a change. The past week, we are down $2.53, down of 0.82%. And 1 month is down $2.18, 0.7% down, and it won't change for 3 months and 1 year in all, because we haven't been that far. But just to give you guys the idea of what's happening, I did transfer the funds already. So I did it earlier just so that we can prove that we're putting $100 a week into the portfolio, and that will be shown right here. Okay, so that is the email confirmation for transferring the funds, and those will be available Thursday to make a trade as well. And it'll be the last time we increase our position inside this portfolio with Bank of Nova Scotia this month, because we are focusing on stabilizing the portfolio, and then we'll look at populating the portfolio as we get all the stocks that I want in this portfolio. So but before we talk about what to do in the market conditions currently, we will head over to track your dividends. And this is where, just give me 2 seconds here, where we track our dividends, obviously, where we update the profile itself. So currently, as of right now, we are down $3, portfolio value of 163. Is that right? Oh yes, 163, because we haven't updated yet. We will do that right now. Dividend yield currently as of today is 6.63%. A yield on cost previously was 6.51, and our annual income was $11. So we'll scroll down here and we will add a new holding, because currently it only shows 3. Now we own 5. But to just give you a breakdown, Bank of Nova Scotia, 3 shares, previously price at right now is $54.31. The average cost is $55.30, as you can see on the screen. We are currently at a loss of $2.98. Dividend yield as of today is 6.63, and our yield on cost in this portfolio is 6.51, with an annual income of $10.80. So new holding, and we will enter it in as Bank of Nova Scotia.to, because we are in Canada, and we bought 2 shares, and the basis currently that we bought it at was $53.91. We'll add that to the portfolio. Okay, so this is it being updated. So currently now we have a value of $272. So we're down $2 roughly, which is, yes, correct. Yes, that is correct. Dividend yield today, as of right now, is 6.63%. Yield on cost is 6.58%. And the annual income is $18, as shown down here. And so just want to compare here. Average cost $54.75, perfect. So everything is updated, and that is how I track my dividends currently, and I do have a spreadsheet as well for my other accounts, but that is not the purpose of this one. So let's just head back to this screen here. So currently that's that, and we'll just look at the Bank of Nova Scotia as it performed today. It's down 0.49%. Past week it's down 2%, and so on and so forth. So let's talk about what's happening in the marketplace. So and how do you deal with it and things like that. So in times like this, if you already own stock, own positions in companies, don't panic. People tend to panic during these times. What I'm telling you is to stay the course, stay steadfast, and keep investing consistently over a period of time through this whole maybe downturn. If it is a downturn or a crash, maybe we already experienced a crash. Who knows? I don't think we have, because this is the market. It's an emotional thing, and we just have to keep on going. And obviously we'll prove that through this channel to give you guys real life in almost real time on what I do myself when it comes to, staying steadfast, staying the course, and investing $100 a week into this portfolio. And so when the market is down, don't fear. Don't go into that state where, I need to sell off because the stocks are dropping. I'm going to miss out on everything. The thing about the market, it tends to come back always. We never know when, but it always does. And this creates an opportunity for you guys to get into the market at a lower cost price. Obviously, like even right now, you can look at the just Bank of Nova Scotia because we're on this page. My dividend yield on cost is 6.58%. If you bought today or any day that it's lower, you get a chance to get in at a lower cost to get the yield of 90 cents come the end of October. So your yield is about 6.63%, which is higher than mine currently. And that's the point of building a dividend portfolio, but also having capital appreciation, because that will come when the market does bounce back. And it will for sure. Because there's when you only hear in the marketplace all-time highs, you never hear about all-time lows, because the all-time low is zero, right? So that's the mentality I have around, when the market's down. But also when the market is up, this is a big mistake that I think a lot of people make is getting in now. They have FOMO, fear of missing out, and they buy at the highest price, and they don't even know it because they think that's going to climb even more. Perfect example is Tesla. We've all faced FOMO, and a lot of people bought right at the high of Tesla's stock at, I think it was $500 it hit that day. And I guarantee there was probably some people who bought Tesla at $500. Guess what happened the next couple of days? It went down to I think $360 some dollars. It's back now to $444, something like that. But don't let FOMO get in the way of you investing tons of money. If you have tons of money, then please, by all means, you are a human being. You can make your own decisions and things like that. And so those are my biggest two things when it comes to the market and handling, market dips, market highs. In the market dips, you can definitely use it as an opportunity to get in, and that's a good thing. So that's my 2 cents on it, and that's all I wanted to communicate. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. It is Tuesday that I'm filming this, so The funds are transferred. Obviously, you saw the email. If you found value in this video, hit that like. Even consider subscribing. You know, the growth on this channel is absolutely blowing me away. I didn't think it would be this much. So thank you. I appreciate it. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm definitely not your financial advisor. So do seek professional advice if you're looking at, you know, getting into the marketplace and trying your luck or your skill at it, and really putting it into practice. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in a few days with the new video and the increasing of the position of the portfolio in Bank of Nova Scotia, and updating the tracker that we have and continuing this journey. So thanks again for coming along this journey with me, and I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.